Hey there! Is AirDrop nowhere to be found in your iPhone's control center or settings? That can be super frustrating, especially when you need to share files quickly with other Apple devices. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to get the AirDrop option back on your iPhone in no time. Let's jump right in. Before you start, make sure your iPhone has more than 20% battery life, or else it won't be able to AirDrop anything. Solution 1. Enable AirDrop from Settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down a bit. Then, tap on General. After that, select AirDrop. Now choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make AirDrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Finally, check to see if AirDrop now shows up in Control Center or Settings. Solution 2. Check Restrictions. Open the Settings app again. Scroll down. Now, go to Screen Time. After that, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled, tap on Allowed Apps. Make sure AirDrop is toggled on because if it's off, AirDrop won't be visible on your device. Solution 3. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the Settings app and make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. AirDrop needs both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to function properly, so they need to be on for AirDrop to show up. After enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, check if AirDrop appears in Control Center. Solution 4. Update iOS. Go to Settings, then tap on General. After that, select Software Update. If there is an update available, go ahead and update your iPhone. Once the update is done, restart your iPhone. Now, check if AirDrop is visible on your device. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down a bit. Then, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, choose Reset. Now, select Reset Network Settings. Confirm the action by entering your passcode. This will reset all network settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Finally, after the reset, check if AirDrop is now showing up on your iPhone. By following these simple steps, you should be able to bring AirDrop back to life on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.